3, 2, 1.
The larger surface area of leaves allows them to capture more what? The answer is C, sunlight. Which is the largest of Uranus' moons? The answer is C, Titania. About 50% of all animal species died off between the Mesozoic and which other era? The answer is D, Cenozoic. What French city is known as the wine capital of Alsace? The answer is D, Calmer. Which book is about a man who awakens after 1,000 years? The answer is C, Fahrenheit 451. Which political leader was known as Iron Lady? The answer is A, Margaret Thatcher. Who won the Razzie Award for Worst Actor for 1991? The answer is D, Kevin Costner for Robin Hood, Prince of Thieves. Which element is used to create X-rays? The answer is D, radium. In the movie Austin Powers, International Man of Mystery, which one of Dr. Evil's henchmen was played by actor Robert Wagner? The answer is B, number 2. Which country won the Rugby World Cup 2019? The answer is A, England. What actress won the Academy Award for Best Actress for her performance in the 1978 drama movie Coming Home? The answer is C, Jane Fonda. What is a dress with a high, tight bodice and full skirt called? The answer is C, hobble dress. Which of the following characters is not a sidekick in Super Mario Strikers? The answer is A, Paratroopa. In what route do water and solutes move along the continuum of Sayas-Sol? The answer is B, Simplastic. What is the fastest-selling single by a solo artist in the UK? The answer is A, Bohemian Rhapsody Queen. The theory of relativity was proposed by whom? The answer is D, Albert Einstein. What was the first person to fly a balloon that was filled with hydrogen gas? The answer is D, Jacques A.C. Jules. Which of these is not a common fabric used for hats? The answer is D, leather. In 1526, Hans Holbein became the official portrait painter of which English king? The answer is B, Henry Roman VIII. Where would you find Mount Fuji, Japan's highest mountain? The answer is D. Honshu. What did Grace, one of the main characters on Will Grace, proclaim after finding out she ate dog food? The answer is A. Needs salt. What is the slope of a horizontal line in a graph of a linear equation? The answer is A. 0. What is the name of Odin's eight-legged horse? The answer is B. Sleipnir. What is the time it takes Earth to complete one orbit around the Sun called? The answer is A. Month. What icon is used to start a low-detail RuneScape game? The answer is B. A warrior. What is the name of the black and white TV show about a detective in New York City? The answer is C. Columbo. What is the result of multiplying primes 7 and 13? The answer is D. 101. An antigen is a molecule that reacts with some component of the what response? The answer is D. Immune. Lindsay Lohan played the role of Ali Fowler in which soap opera? The answer is B. Another World. Which device can store and retrieve digital data? The answer is D. Memory chip. What is the term for crops that are genetically modified with new genes that code for traits useful to humans? The answer is C. Transgenic. On a non-member world in RuneScape, how many places can you travel to on the ship in Port Sarim? The answer is A. 1. Who is known as the god of wine in Greek mythology? The answer is C. Dionysus. Which Mayan deity is associated with maize and fertility? The answer is C. Xipe-Totec. What is a traditional Chinese head covering for men? The answer is A. Pagoda cap. What is the term for the study of human emotions, thoughts, and behaviors? The answer is C. Psychology. Which of the following movies did Jennifer Aniston not have a role in? The answer is C. Men in Black. As far as inaugurations are concerned, which pair does not belong with the others? The answer is D. George Washington John Tyler. About how many Earth days does it take the Moon to travel around Earth? The answer is B. 27. Which celestial body has a ring of ice particles around it? The answer is D. Saturn. Of what nationality is the actor who plays Pontius Pilate in the 2004 movie The Passion of the Christ? The answer is A. Bulgarian. What is the capital city of the Vatican City? The answer is C. St. Peter's Basilica. What renewable energy source used to make electricity is thought to be always available? The answer is C. Wind. What does the acronym IP stand for in networking? The answer is A. Internet Protocol. Which Norse goddess rules over love and beauty? The answer is B. Freyja. The Nile has two major tributaries, the White Nile and the Blue Nile. Which river is not a major tributary of the Nile? The answer is D. Euphrates. What are the most numerous blood cells? The answer is C. Red blood cells. Which form of energy is needed to change water from a liquid to a gas? The answer is A. Heat. How long did the 100 Years' War last? The answer is A. 116 years. What vegetable is the main ingredient in ratatouille?